What's up guys, it's your boy furiouscyt. I just got a new Higround keyboard and I also got a new Higround mouse pad, and guys, I'll be unboxing them. And now let's get into the unboxing. Now here's the keyboard, gaming keyboard. I'm gonna unbox it right now. As you can tell, Higround right there, and it has all the stuff. It's a white flame keycap things, and yeah, let's get into the unboxing. I bought this from TikTok shop of Higround. I got it for a really good discount deal, which is pretty nice. It's usually go around like $150. I got it for like, I think it was like 90. But now let's get to the unboxing. Here, let's pull this out. Here's one of the keycap things. You take them off. Man, look how nice that is. White cabling. Back in. I got everything out. Here's another one for the keycaps. Now let's get to the main reason, the keyboard. Oh, looks like I got some stickers. Put that on my car, no cap. Ooh, look at this sticker. Man, that's pretty sick. Now moving on to the keyboard, it has some wrapping on it. Some boxes. Ooh. And this thing's got some weight to it. Oh, look how nice that looks. Dude, this thing's actually really heavy. Look at that keyboard. Oh, bro, this is gonna feel nice. Look how nice that looks. And then I'll also do like testing of like using it, but yeah. But here's the inside of it. Looks pretty sick. Dude, the keyboard looks so nice. Look at that. Alright. These stickers are sick. I might be putting them on my car or something. Now, moving on to, let me just move this to the side real quick so I can open the mouse pad. As you can tell, I got a white themed. Here's the mouse pad, Higround. Now let's get into the unboxing. Just open it up right here. I got the biggest one they had, and I got this for a really cheap discount. So these are around, I think, like $50 too. $50. I got it for like, I think it was like 18. Oh, look at that. Here it is. Just open it up real quick. Oh, that's nice. Feels so good. Oh, this thing's massive. Man, look at that. This thing is so big. And I'm also gonna make a setup video and everything feels really nice. Well, alright guys, that's what I'm doing for the unboxing and everything. Here's the mouse pad, and here is the keyboard. As you can tell, it's white theme. It looks really nice. And yeah, that's gonna be the unboxing. Thanks for everyone joining, liking, and commenting. And it's your boy furiouscyt, and I'm back. I was waiting for you to get on. It's like 4:30 right now. Or you did. Dude, they can't even hear the keyboard because it's like silent. No, that's good. Actually, not really, but if I can do ASMR videos, it'd be in mine. But this keyboard is nice. It's like my old keyboard, my DK. No, I can hear you fine. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna get a setup video soon. So I got my new mouse pad and my new keyboard. It's so silent. I'll get your card and just dip. Chest here. Yeah, probably. Alright, I'm gonna go grab your card and just dip. I'm getting some gameplay right now. So, yeah. Gotta clip every kill. It's okay. Where's your card at? So I can grab it then. Is it a bush? What's it doing? Aw. That was.